Hi everyone, I wanted to make this video to talk a little bit about how you feel in your body day to day. Do you feel good overall? Do you feel pain in specific areas of the body, like the neck, the shoulders, the low back, the hips? And how does that make your day-to-day experience for you? If you were able to take some of the discomfort out of your body, would you be in a better mood? If you were able to do some deep breathing to help reset your mind, would that make your day go a little bit better? So these are the things that I'm going to be covering in my workshop, which is this Saturday from 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. at ClubSport in San Jose. You don't have to be a member to come. If you're a member, then it's $40, and if you're a non-member, then it's $50. We have an hour and a half together to scan the bodies, check in, find where you're holding that discomfort, and I'm going to share some great movement to help reset the bodies in those specific parts. We'll end the practice with some restorative poses, and I'll add in a little bit of Reiki energy healing at the very end of the practice with some aromatherapy. So just a friendly reminder that you don't have to live with the discomfort in your body. There's different movements, there's different tools that you can tap into to feel a lot better so your day goes a lot smoother. And I'm really excited to share this with you this Saturday, which is the 20th from 5 p.m. to 6:30. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I can share with you how to get signed up and everything. Okay, thank you.